Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today, we will continue lesson number 6, page number 65, present perfect continuous tense of your English 1 book. So, students, I gave you exercise 2 of page number 65 as homework. I will tell you the answer of these questions now. So you just match it with the one you have written in your book. Okay. So rewrite the pairs of sentences as shown. So the sentences were already written. We have to rewrite it in the present perfect continuous tense. Right. Number 1. The coach is training the players. He started at 4 p.m. So, the coach has been training the players since 4 p.m. So, this sentence is in present perfect continuous tense. So, what is present perfect continuous tense? Present perfect continuous tense is the action which has happened in the past, which started in the past, but is still going, right? जो काम पहले स्टार्ट होता है पहले स्टार्ट हुआ था लेकिन अभी तक चल रहा है वो होता है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. ऑलराइट, सो ये जो सेंटेंसेस हैं, द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर गिवन हियर, द सेंटेंसेस व्हिच आर गिवन इन दिस क्वेश्चन, वी हैव टू राइट इट इन द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. ओके. नंबर 2, they are repairing the roads. They began the work last year. So we have to change the sentence in present perfect continuous tense. So what will we write? They have been repairing the road since last year. Okay. So the work started last year but it is still ongoing. So this is, we'll use have been plus ing to write it in the present perfect continuous tense. They have been repairing the road since last year. Number 3, Tarun is an actor. He started acting in his childhood. So what will we write here? Tarun has been acting since his childhood. What will we write? Tarun has been acting since his childhood. Alright. Now number 4, Anila is a receptionist. She started talking on the phone in the morning. So what will we write? Anila is a receptionist. We'll write it. Anila is a receptionist. She has been talking on the telephone since morning. Okay. We'll write Anila is a receptionist. She has been talking on the telephone since morning. Okay. Now number 5. She is looking for a house. She started looking for it last month. So what are we going to write it? Here we'll change the sentence in present perfect continuous tense. We'll write she has been looking for a house since last month. She has been looking for a house since last month. Now number 6, the patients came here at 6 p.m. It is 8 p.m. and they are still waiting for the doctor. What will we write? The patients have been waiting for the doctor since 6 p.m. Alright, we'll write the patients have been waiting for the doctor since 6 p.m. So all these sentences which we have written are in present perfect continuous tense. Now exercise 3, fill in the blanks with have not, haven't been or has not been plus a suitable verb plus ing. So we have to use either have not been or has not been plus a suitable verb and action word plus ing with it. So the first one is he is sick, he dash well. So what will we write here? He is sick, he has not been feeling well. He has not been feeling well. So has not been plus action word is feeling. So write it, he is sick, he has not been feeling well. Alright. Now the second one, you dash to school regularly. What's the problem with you? So what are we going to write here? You haven't been coming to school regularly. What will we write here? You haven't been coming to school regularly. What's the problem with you? So write have not been coming in the blank which is given in second question of third exercise. Number third, Arun has not got good marks. Okay, he dash well. So what will we write here? Arun has not got good marks. He has not been studying well. What will we write? He has not been studying well. So write has not been studying in the third question. Alright. Number 4. Father is very busy these days at his office. He dash home early. So what will we write here? He has not been coming home early. So we'll write has not been coming in the fourth one. Now number 5. She has become very fat. So she dash exercise lately. She has become very fat. She has not been doing exercise lately. We'll write she hasn't been doing exercise lately. Now the sixth one. The clock has stopped. It dash for 3 days. What will we write here? The clock has stopped. It hasn't been working for 3 days. We'll write it hasn't been working for 3 days. Now the next question is make questions as shown with the question words given. So we have to make the questions with the sentences which are given. The answers are already written here, and we have to frame the questions. So we'll do this exercise in our next class, and your homework will be you have to do exercise 6 on page number 66. So this is a passage, and you have to read the passage and you have to write the answers of the questions which are given below. So page number 66, question number 6 is your exercise. Please do it. All right. Take care. Bye bye.